Have you ever stopped to admire these magical sunbeams? Behind this beauty lies fascinating science. This isn't just light, it's scattered light. When sunlight hits water droplets, it refracts and reflects, creating rainbows by separating into basic colors. Sunset colors happen because light travels through more atmosphere. Blue light scatters away, leaving red and orange wavelengths to reach our eyes. Even moonlight follows physics. That shimmering path isn't continuous, it's millions of tiny reflections from ripples, all following the law of reflection. Nature's beauty isn't random, it's precise scientific principles. Next time you see these displays, remember you're watching a magnificent physics show.